Once again, you're welcome to Online Maths TV. And in today, we have a little challenge here. The challenge says simplify 6 to the power of 2n plus 1 times 9 to the power of n times 4 to the power of 2n, all divided by 18 to the power of n times 2 to the power of n times 12 to the power of n. How do we simplify this? Very simple. So we're looking for the value of n. So from here, we proceed text. Here we have selection. So from here we have selection. We have 6 to the power of 2n plus 1 times 9 to the power of n times 4 to the power of 2n all over 18 to the power of n times 2 to the power of n times 12 to the power of 2n. The first thing you do here is to break the figure down. Break this figure down. Break these figures down. And how do you break them down? Take that to the lowest form. Here we have 2. 2 is already in its lowest form. Then we have to think of breaking down 6 to its lowest form. Yeah, if I decide to multiply 2 by 3, that will also give me 6. So this expression could also be written as 2 times 3, close bracket, all raised to 2n plus 1. Multiply by 3 could equally be written as, 9 could equally be written as 3 raised to power 2 all raised to power n in bracket times, and 4 can equally be written as 2 raised to power 2 all raised to 2n, close the bracket, all over 18 could be written as 2 times 3 raised to power 2 all raised to power n, then times 2 to n, then times 12 could equally be written as 3 times 2 raised to power 2 all raised to power 2n. Now, with what I've done here now, these have not changed anything. What I've done now has not changed anything from the first expression. So we proceed. From here, we can now open this bracket, open this bracket, open this bracket with what we have at top. So this will give us something like this. So we move forward. From here, we now have this as 2 to the power everything here. So 2n plus 1 times 3 to the power of 2n plus 1. Here we have another multiplication sign. So times 3 to the power of 2n, because 2 times n will give you 2n. Then times 2 again to the power of 4n. So we have 4n. So we proceed all over. We come to the bottom, we do same. So here we give us 2 to the power of n, and we multiply this power here to give us here times 3 to the power of 2n, then multiply by, here we have 2n starting on its own. Then next we have 3 to 2n, so times 3 to the power of 2n, and this 2 times 2 will give us here 4n. So we have here times 2 to the power of 4n. Here we are. We now look at this. This challenge has been made simple. So what do? We now look at the terms that are having 2 and those that are having 3. We can group this and this together, group this and this together, group this together, this together. But before we do that, let's look at some of these terms. We have some of the terms that are at the numerator and at the same time at the denominator. So what we do to such terms, then we can strike them out. So here we have 3 raised to power n. Here we have 3 raised to power 2n. So that goes off. Then we proceed again. Let's see if we have some other common terms. Here we have 2 to the power of 4n. Here we have 2 to the power of 4n. Okay, now we are now left with this. With this, we can now proceed. Here we have, this now implies 2 raised to power 2n plus 1 times 3 to power 2n plus 1 all over. We're having 2 raised to power n and 2 raised to power n. So this gives us 2 times raised to power n times 2 to power n. All right. Then here we are still having times 3 to power 2n. Okay. So we can bring this and this together. If we bring these two together, then we will now going to have 2 to the power of 2n, because when the bases are the same, add the powers. So this thus implies 2 raised to 2n plus 1. All right. Then times 3 2n plus 1 all over 2 raised to 2n times 3 raised to 2n. We cannot apply the law of indices that says whenever we have an expression like this, then this will move up and it will be subtracted from the power here. This will move up to be subtracted from that. So this gives us, here we're going to have here 2 to the power of 2n plus 1 minus this 2n. So minus 2n times 3, because this here we are having 3. So this gives us 2n plus 1 minus 2n. And as you can see, this and this will leave. This and this will leave. So we are now left with, here we have 2 raised to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of 1. And 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 3 to the power of 1 is 3. So automatically we have 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. This is our final answer. All right. So if you have any challenge, if you have any question with regard to this survey, drop it in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel,